Hi, Christmas is fast approaching and a lot of people are still scurrying around trying to make the last little decor piece. I have exactly that decor piece for you, a Christmas stocking holder. Alright, so what I've got here is the concept of just two small blocks that we just gonna put together, put a hook on, and it can be on your table, on your dresser, on your mantle with a stocking. So let's get started. Step is to just make sure that your two pieces are about the same length. I will put down in the description below the measurements. So now what we need to do is just drill some screws in from the bottom and then place this in and it's ready to go. All right. In order to finish our stocking holder, we just need to make one final adjustment. We're gonna drill right in the front. We're gonna put our little hook in. Alright, and there we have it, ready for a beautiful stocking. Let's take the stocking on. I'm hoping that in the stocking that you find a lot of lovely treats like sweets and chocolates and just special things and not coal, because there is a story that says if you've been a naughty boy or girl, you get coal in your stockings. But I'm hoping that you have a wonderful Christmas celebration with your family and your friends. From Kubeta Woman, with love, always. Put the hook on.